welcome back to my channel. So for this video I wanted to share with you what I found at the dollar store to decorate for Halloween. So I've never decorated for Halloween before. This is going to be my first year decorating for that, just because I don't know, Halloween it's not part of my culture, so I've never, you know, celebrated that big. But I decided to decorate this year because my daughter has been more, not intrigued, but she know kind of, it's more worrying out of what's Halloween, that you dress up, it's a celebration, and she's obsessed with spiders right now. So I decided to do a little decor for her, and I am going to show you what I got at the dollar store, because who doesn't love a good dollar store haul. I'm going to show you what I got on my trip, and I am also going to show you how I added it to my decoration, because I usually go from fall to Christmas, but this year I am adding the Halloween stuff. I'm taking it out in November to kind of do some Thanksgiving kind of thing. And yeah, I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna put it. I'm also gonna show you my daughter's reaction when she sees it already put up in the house. She's taking a nap right now, so the plan is to show you everything right now, go quickly decorate, and also show you when she wakes up and sees everything all put together. Enough of me rambling. If you want to see what I got from the Dollar Tree to decorate for Halloween, keep watching. So we kind of have a theme because she has been so into spiders and stuff like that. I got her this little friend here. It's not the, you know, it's plastic. It has the little hairy glitter things, has some googly eyes. She's gonna like this one, we'll see. Moving along, I got these pumpkins. As you can see, they're not the best made pumpkins ever because they're from the Dollar Tree. You cannot expect much, but the cool thing about these is that they light up and they change colors. I got this one in black and I got a orange one. I don't know where's the orange one right now, but when I decorate you're gonna see where I ended up putting them. But that's so cool. And the thing about these ones, they shed glitter like crazy, so you have to be careful with this. Even along with the spider theme, I got 2 glitter spiders in purple. Love that. So this year I don't know what's gonna happen for actual Halloween. I don't know if they're gonna do something trick-or-treat wise where I live, but I got this candy ball. I can put some treats for her, also I can put some fruit. We never know, we'll see. Okay, this is not part of decoration, but I wanted to be festive, and I got some shots glasses, and they have little scully hands and they're orange. I don't know, I'm trying to be festive. So the next thing is a decor and a DIY thing that me and Grace can do, and it's this little pumpkin, a foam pumpkin that you can put together and then you can hang it up. It brings, oh, you actually can do like a garland. We have a witch that we're making right now. I can do a garland with this. This is cool. We like this. Okay, so I got this spider web, this purple spider that you can hang somewhere like that. And for my entry door, I got this sign that says Happy Halloween, and has the skull, a pumpkin, and a little cat in a little car. I just thought that was so cute. So I also got this tea light with the, also with the purple spiders. And you cannot have a Halloween decor without some creepy cloth. I got 2 packs. So again, I don't know if we're gonna do Halloween like we did last year, trick-or-treating. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I got her a candy bucket. It says trick-or-treat, and it has a little witch, it has a cat and a little spider, and it's so cute. So they also had this little sets. This is a Halloween set that you can paint, and this is a like a Thanksgiving one. I got her both. We can do this one now and this one like when it gets closer to Thanksgiving. And this is cool. So the next thing I got her, this is more like for me to stuff her candy basket. I think I'm gonna do something like that, like stuff her own thing. She has been into slime putty. So they have this orange with the pumpkins. They have this, I think this is a flower, but it's purple, and they have the black one with the bats. I just think this is convenient, quick. You can just toss it in and your toddler will have so much fun. They make a little mess, little PSA, but if you put it like in a controlled environment, if you put it in the tub, you put it somewhere that you can just clean it up, they're a good distraction. And last thing that I got from the dollar store are stickers. Every toddler loves stickers. I don't know what is it, but I got her stickers. Again, to fill up her little basket, or just to have around when she's like, you know, when I want to do some bribing. So it's a pack of 18 for $1. So I think this is, if you're a teacher, if you are doing Halloween, I don't know where you live, but if you're gonna do something like that, kids love this thing. And yeah, that was all I got from the Dollar Tree. I have 2 more other things that are not from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna show you because I'm gonna add them to my decor. So the first thing I'm gonna show you that's not from the Dollar Tree is this pumpkin that says Happy Halloween. I got this at Michael's. So my thing is, I want to do exactly that. I want to take this out and just put it on my little coffee tray thing. I think this is gonna be so cute. The spider theme, it's didn't happen yesterday. We've been hoarding spiders, and I found this one at Target, so I had to get it for her because she's into spiders. Somebody woke up. What's that, Mama?
Spider.
Oh gosh, it's a spider. Can you go in the bathroom and see what's in the bathroom? Let's go see in the bathroom. Let's go. What's this, Mamas?
This is a spider.
Oh, it's a spider.
Okay.
It's a spider.
Whoa! It's my spider.
Look at this one. What is it?
It's a spider.
Yeah, you like it? I hope you enjoyed watching this little haul. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna decorate this year and what are you gonna do for Halloween. Are you gonna dress up? Are your kids gonna dress up? Are you gonna do something for Halloween? Let me know, because I am so curious like what other people are gonna do for Halloween. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to like this video, make sure to follow me on my Instagram, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.